American Express cards are often seen as the crown jewels of the credit card world. A lot of them are flashy, feature-packed, and come with perks that can make you feel like a VIP at a 5-star hotel. But here's the thing, if you don't know how to use these cards the right way, you could be paying for first-class benefits and getting economy-class value. And no one wants to be the person who spends $695 a year on the Platinum card only to redeem points for a $50 gift card to Olive Garden. In this video, we're going to dive into 9 common mistakes that people make with their American Express cards so you can stop leaving money, perks, and points on the table. Mistake number 1 is paying the full price for the annual fee if you don't have to. The annual fee on some Amex cards is not pocket change. The Gold card can set you back $325, the Platinum card a whopping $695. And while that might be worth it for the right person, others might end up throwing money out the window every year. But here's the good news, there are a few ways to reduce or eliminate those fees. First, if you're active duty military, salute to you and thank you for your service. You can request the SCRA relief, and if you're approved, Amex could potentially adjust the annual fee thanks to laws like the Service Member Civil Relief Act. Second, if you have a corporate Amex card, you might qualify for what's called the Corporate Advantage Program, which offers a credit on a personal credit card's annual fee up to $150. Sounds fancy, right? Because it kind of is. Mistake number 2, believe in the hype about credits. Oh yes, the credits, the siren song of the Amex Platinum and Gold cards. $10 or $15 a month for Uber, $7 for Dunkin' Donuts, streaming bundles, Saks Fifth Avenue. But here's the thing. Just because the card offers you a $240 credit, it doesn't mean you're actually saving $240. I have both the Amex Gold and the Platinum card, and I'll admit, I don't use a majority of these credits. If you're not already spending money on Uber Eats or eating at Dunkin' Donuts monthly, believing you'll use these credits might just be wishful thinking. They're like gym memberships for some of us. They're great in theory, but barely used in practice. These are use it or lose it credits. They don't roll over and they require regular spending in very specific categories. If you're stretching just to use them, you're not saving, you're spending more. So don't fall into the trap of overvaluing credits that you don't actually need. Mistake number 3 is booking hotels in the Amex travel portal. I know you've got points, you want a vacation, and the Amex travel portal is just sitting there calling your name, but here's the thing. Using your membership reward points for hotels in the portal can be like trading gold for gravel. Here at NerdWallet, we broke down the redemption value of booking through the portal and found that flights and fine hotels and resort reservations were valued at 1 cent per point. Not amazing, but decent. Other eligible travel is only worth 0.7 cents per point, and that's like downgrading from first class to the middle seat next to the bathroom. Mistake number 4 is transferring points without having a plan. You've saved up all these membership reward points, you're pumped, you want that Emirates airline flight with the lie flat seat and the champagne, so you transfer 100,000 points only to find there's no award availability on your dates or from your city or in this lifetime. Never transfer points without checking award space first. Once they're transferred, you're stuck. They're generally non-refundable, so always confirm availability, then make the transfer. And better yet, wait for a transfer bonus. Amex often runs promos where they'll give you 25 to 40% more miles when you transfer to certain partners. My mom booked 2 Singapore airline business class tickets that cost 150,000 miles. But thanks to a bonus promo, she only had to transfer around 110,000 Amex points. And that's what I call winning. Mistake number 5 is using points for cashback or for gift cards. Imagine earning points at restaurants, at gas stations, or on groceries, only to blow them all for a statement credit worth 0.6 cents per point. That's like asking a cashier to break a $100 bill and them giving you back $60. It doesn't seem right to me. If you want cash back, there are certain Amex cards for that, the Blue Cash Everyday or the Blue Cash Preferred. But if you've got the Gold or the Platinum or another card that earns membership rewards points, it's probably not best to use them this way. Same goes for gift cards. Some will give you 1 cent per point, but many are valued lower. Think 0.7 cents per point. So while that $100 Home Depot gift card may sound nice, you might be able to turn those points into a $1,500 flight if you took advantage of some of the other ways to use those transfer points. Mistake number 6 is using the wrong card with the wrong type of spend. American Express cards are not created equal. Each one has its own superpower. Some earn points on groceries, others on travel, others on dining. Yet, I constantly see people swiping their platinum at the grocery store and earning a measly 1 point per dollar when their gold card could have earned them 4 points. That's the equivalent of heating your house with a $20 bill. In other words, you're burning cash. You want to use the right card for the right category. You can use the Amex Gold to earn 4x points in US supermarkets on up to $25,000 per calendar year in purchases. Then it's 1x points for the rest of the year. On the other hand, the Platinum card would be best for hotels and flights. Matching your card to your spending is crucial to getting the most out of each card. Mistake number 7 is canceling a card before point redemption. If you've got an Amex card that earns a ton of membership reward points, but the annual fee is coming due and you're thinking of canceling, that's totally fair. But here's the catch. If you don't have another active Amex card that earns or holds membership reward points, then those points will disappear. You don't want that. Before canceling, either transfer your points or figure out if you can downgrade your card to another one that has a lower annual fee. That way you can maintain your points balance while also saving money on that annual fee. Mistake number 8 is not utilizing Amex offers. Buried in your Amex app or your online account is a gold mine called Amex offers. These are featured deals like $20 back when you spend $100 at certain stores. Mistake number 9 is choosing the wrong welcome bonus. Amex gives you one shot at a welcome bonus per card. You get one in your lifetime. So let's say that you were approved for the Amex Gold. Once you've snagged that welcome bonus, don't expect any more piles of bonus points to show up. They only roll out the red carpet once per customer per card. Before you apply for a card, dig around for the best offer. Don't just look at what's on their website. You can sometimes find higher bonuses through friend referrals, as well as using credit card comparison sites and some targeted offers. Keeping tabs on which Amex cards you've applied for in the past is also important. It's like your personal cheat sheet. It helps you know whether you're still in the running for a card's welcome bonus offer or if you've already cashed in your one-time shot. American Express also has a handy little tool that acts like a bouncer at the velvet rope of welcome bonuses. Before they run your credit, they'll let you know if you're not eligible for that welcome offer. No surprises, no heartbreak. So there you have it. 9 American Express cardholder mistakes that could be draining your wallet and your points balance. The good news is, once you know about them, they're easy to avoid. American Express cards can unlock incredible value, but only if you know how to use them properly. If you found this video helpful, check out my other credit card reviews for a deeper dive into point redemptions, the best cards for your lifestyle, and how to turn that annual fee into a power move instead of a pain point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.